Tonight we have Dave Cornelius presenting on Thinking Innovation.
My name is Dr. Dave Cornelius. Today our topic is Thinking Innovation is Your Calling. And I would like to say that in business and in everything that we do, it relies on products and services that we build. What does that rely on? I know, I just kind of, Innovation. Yeah, right there. Let's talk about some of the topics we're going to cover tonight. We're going to talk about dreams. We're going to talk about two different types of dreams. We're going to talk about lucid dreams and mutual dreams. We'll get involved with innovation streams, talk about the various innovation streams that we have. We'll do some works, kind of like workshop stuff with empathy maps. I think I have some of that here with us. Give you some insight into digital transformation strategy. Not a lot, just kind of like a flyby. And we'll talk about six thinking lens, which is one of the core concepts of my book in terms of how we use six thinking lens to really innovate and make things better. Well, what is the fourth industrial revolution? AI? Actually, the fourth industrial revolution is really the amalgamation of all the different technologies that we do have. It's the mixture of AI with machine learning, it's the cloud, it's mobile, it's all of these things. And this is what's really driving innovation. Imagine that 50 years ago, a 16-year-old sitting in their room could not bring a product to market in 6 months. When we think about digital transformation, because this is what came out of the fourth industrial revolution, it's a digital transformation, right? And then the strategies that we want to put together, we start thinking about, how do we satisfy our business goals in our thought, innovation, right? So I have all these great tools. So what do I do with machine learning and the cloud and mobile and all of these different things? What do I do with all of that? Well, satisfy what the customer wants. Maybe hear what they have to say. And we'll talk about jobs to be done as a theory, but applying those principles. The second thing is that it has to be dynamic. It has to be always mobile and always on, always available, which it is. The thing that we look at as part of that strategy when we start thinking about it is that, are we going to use cloud? And which one will we use? Will we use Azure or AWS, or maybe use both? Those are options as part of building your innovation. What about compliance? Do we care about that? When you think about the big digital transformation strategy, and we're going through this, digital revolution, the fourth, this is part of it. This is part of the things that we have to think about and how that's going to accelerate innovation for us. Lucid dreams is an awake state, but you're dreaming about something. And to me, the most favorite that I think is really interesting is the mutual dreams. So Michael and I can stand here and agree that we're going to meet in Hawaii, and we're going to dream about making some great device that's going to change the world. That's our mutual dream. We're not going to tell each other much about that, and then we'll go into our dream state. Then when we're done, we'll come back and share and see where we connect.
That this suit really, really works. That he can just, well, it's not really, is it a suit? It's kind of like a sphere.
It's a bubble.
It's a bubble.
So it's a bubble, but this is about Bob, right? I mean,
So Bob's scared. He doesn't believe us. Everybody told him he's really crazy to even talk to us. They think he's stupid, but he doesn't value his
Bob
life.
has some fear?
Bob has a lot of fear.
Okay, so but what does Bob think or feel about your spacesuit?
He's excited about it.
He's excited,
Really?
but he's
Because it's going to allow him to float in space without being confined and claustrophobic in a bulky spacesuit.
Just have agile development based on
That again is quicker to the market.
Now, what the customer would think or feel, it's worth trying. That's what they think.
Same thing, human behavior.
Finding Susan. I love it. How's that?
Fears that it's not an accurate product. This is something that I've been doing with my own brain, and now I'm handing it over to the computer brain to do my thinking for me. So is it going to be accurate? Is the product going to deliver the way I expect it to? Can I trust it? The obstacles, of course, would be cost.
Yeah.
and people's attitudes, kind of like, almost like the self-driving car. Do I really hand this thinking over to this device?